Okay, I'm going through, I don't know if this is gonna work or not. I'm going through and seeing what food we have. And I found some canned whole potatoes. So what I like to do with them is drain them and then add garlic powder. I love garlic, as you can tell. And then we will add butter, and I just kind of spread it out. Doesn't have to be perfect. Okay, get off my finger. Okay, so we got butter. Then we have cheese. I'm just gonna add what's left in this little bag. And then we're gonna add some sour cream. What's going on? Everybody's using up all the spoons, it looks like. So we're gonna put a big old spoonful. Oh wait, no, I'm not gonna put sour cream on until after it gets out of the microwave. Jeez. Okay, I'm gonna put this in the microwave for like, I don't know, a minute. Okay, I just took them out of the microwave. So I'm just going to break each one in half, just so I can make sure that they're hot all the way through. If not, I'll have to put them back in for a second. This big one, I'm just going to break into like quarters. Okay, is it warm in the inside? Stir it all around. It's like a baked potato, loaded baked potato, just quicker. Without the skin. So there's that. Put on some sour cream. And then bacon pieces. Almost empty. Let's do that. There you go. How good does that look? If I had broccoli, I would put broccoli in there, but I don't have any broccoli. Mix it all together so every bite has everything. Some of that cheese. Yummy.